My name is Jayesh, and I will give a few opening remarks before we begin with the session itself. So the title of today's session is Reimagining Healthcare Through the Pandemic. And when we reimagine, let's begin by understanding what was the imagination which led to this reimagination. This event is one in a series that was nucleated by the GBF, Global Business Forum, which the IIT Bombay Alumni Association organized several years ago. And it has led to a series of special interest groups, of which this one, the one on healthcare, has been amongst the most active. And there have been a few events. Some of you would have attended those. Today's exciting event has to do with looking at how healthcare would transform thanks to our recent experiences. To me, the biggest change has been our ability to not just survive, but thrive through the adversity we've been through. India has turned out to be a leader in vaccine supply, in generics. And on the technical side, the acceptance of a telepresence has been key. Remote diagnosis, self-monitoring, encouraging local diagnosis and treatment, the presence in the screen of medical professionals who could help has led to a transformation in healthcare delivery. The future is bright. The possibility of using complementary and integrative health medicinal systems, which are technically justified through scientific research, is increasing. In fact, the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, a unit of NIH USA, is looking at a more comprehensive look at healthcare. Behooves well for us who are interested in trying to integrate multiple systems of medicine. The use of ethical, yes, yet human relevant model have been encouraged by programs such as the US FDA's Humane Research Act. And the future is again very exciting for those technically and commercially interested in on-chip and organoid research work. The government on its side has also helped. Many of the schemes that it has started off, including trying to have local supply pipelines for key starting materials, the Make in India campaign, programs such as eSanjeevani and Ayushman Bharat, all of these have helped us in understanding what the future is. It remains to be seen to what extent we can take advantage of those schemes. So today's session has got at least 6 power-packed sessions. It includes 2 keynote addresses and a fireside chat, sessions on diagnosis, access, science, integrative health, and also what the healthcare ecosystem at IIT Bombay is. So I invite you to take advantage of the sessions ahead. And I request now our first speaker from one of our sponsors to please make her presentation. Thank you.